Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I'm going to show you the newest version of Amazon Product Scraper to scrap the products data from Amazon.com. In this video, you will see how I have extracted this data of products by using this tool. So this is the tool that I had developed. I am a full stack developer and I also provide my web automation and data scraping services here. Feel free to contact me if you have any custom projects. Now I am going to explain all of its features and how to use this tool to scrap products data by using the product links. To run this tool, I'll send this zip folder to you. You will have to first extract it, and after that you will have to run this exe file. Well, today I have a list of 150 random product links, so I'm going to copy them, and here are three options. One option is to do scraping by using the keywords, second is by using the direct product links, and third is by using the category or supplier links. Now I'm going to use this feature today. Paste all the desired product links here. Before starting, go in the option to choose your desired data columns. I'm choosing all, and these are some additional features. I will explain them later in the video. Just click start button. Now it is showing message to solve the CAPTCHA. Once the CAPTCHA is solved, just click OK button. It will then start the scraping itself. Now it is doing the scraping. And to count the number of rows, right click at any column name and click show footer, and on the footer choose count here. And these are some additional features. If you check this box, it will download the images of each product in the folder. Let me show you. It downloads images in this folder. Now you can see it is downloading the images here. And it is saving the images by the ASIN code of Amazon, so that we can find them easily after scraping. And this option is to save the data in the database. The SQLite database system is integrated with this tool. Let me show you. Open the database from here, and here is the data that is saving here as well. And if you click this button, it will delete all the data from the database. And this is email notification system. All you need is to type your email and choose your desired time interval, like here, but in my case I am choosing on completion. Okay. Now it is doing scraping, and to save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we'll see the results, and I'll show you how to export this scrap data into Excel file. Okay, the scraping is near to be completed. Now it has exported all the data. Let me show you. It is showing message all products data have been scrapped and exported into external file. It exports data in this folder. This is the file named with the current date and time. So this is the exported data. Okay, and now I show you how to export this scrap data manually. Click export button and specify your output location and type your file name here, like this one. And if you check this, it will open the file after exporting, and choose your desired output format. I am choosing the last one. Now it has opened the file. So this is the scrap data. You can further edit this file. Let me show you how. Okay, our file is ready for use. And we had also enabled the email notification system. Now I show you how it notifies. Now I have received an email. Now it is showing that it has scrapped almost 153 products, and this is the application name. Okay, so this is our tool, and if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. The contact details are provided in the description. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools and their updates. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.